Now let's perform functions in the Dart programming language. So basically, well, at the time of performing any functions, what you need to do is at the initial process is nothing but void main. So you just need to select that particular thing, and then you can simply use this, and then you can simply run it actually. Okay, just a second. As in this way, and well, of course. See, basically, if you want to mention, if you want to perform any function, you need to specify the function, right? So I'm going to specify the function which is known as void hello. You just take these dots and then you can take these open brackets. Here you can write whatever you want to write. I'm going to mention print, and then you can simply mention hey, how are you? Okay, that's more than enough. And here you need to mention these brackets. So up to now everything is fine. If you run it, what exactly happens? Do you think that are we going to get an output? We won't get any output. Just run it. Well, of course it's okay. We didn't got any output. The reason why is, see, basically previously I just told you whatever the functions or else whatever the operations which you are performing in the Dart programming language, all those things must be included inside the void main. But this is located outside the void main. So that's the thing which is happening here. So now what we need to do is we can simply if you want to print hey how are you in a regular format, you can simply copy this, and you can simply print it right here, just here, and then you can simply paste it, and then if you run it, you'll get a hey how are you. Just wait and watch whether what sort of here you got it. But if you want to specify the function itself, what you need to do is, I'll explain you with what sort of things you need to do. Here you had mentioned hello, right? So for that particular purpose, hello, okay, hello, and then you can choose this. So now the function is specified. If you run it, we're going to get a proper output. So you got a, okay, just a second, wait for some, here you got a hey hello how are you, as in this way. What are the things if you want to mention okay everything is fine in that way, okay, or else okay. If you run it, you'll get this specific output at here. And if you want to change the name of the function itself, you can change the name of the function right here. Instead of saying hello, you can say okay, you can say oh my god, OMG, okay. Then what you need to do is see it's you got it line 2, error line 2. So here you can able to find out, and you can simply change this hello into OMG. No, you won't get any error in that way. See, you didn't got any error, it's gone. And if you run it, actually you will get okay. See, here you got okay. Here you got okay. So as in this way you can perform the functions, you can specify the functions. So not only this way, but also there is actually another way. I'll explain you what's that particular another way. Okay, so basically let's do one thing. Let's take instead of saying void, let's take string. Okay, so basically here I'm going to mention a string. Okay, everything is fine up to here. And then what you need to do is here you need to mention string also. Just remove all this unwanted stuff. And then let's mention string, and then now I'm going to mention a is equals to, okay, I'm going to mention a is equals to OMG, and then let's take this. So up to now everything is fine. You can simply take this also, and then you can simply use the help of the print, and you can simply specify here. Even here also you need to mention that same thing. So up to now everything is fine. We're getting an error regarding the strings. Line 2 and line 3, undefined string. So what exactly happened here is you can simply okay, I think you people remember the Go language. In Go language, what exactly I told is the first letter must should be capital. As in the same way here, you just mentioned the strings, right? So instead of saying the strings, you must you can say the strings, but the first letter must should be capital. So now it's perfect, I think so. So it's gone, and then let's do the same thing even with this also. I'm waiting for the thing. Again, it's showing. Again it's reflecting. You need to check with any. Some other thing. So what exactly happens? Let's check OMG. Okay, OMG, wonderful. So now, well, of course, this belongs to a string type, right? So, for that, and also you are mentioning print here. And why are you printing again here? So instead of doing all these sort of things, you can simply mention return, and then no need to give any brackets. Any brackets, and simply can say Okay, whatever you want to say. Low. Okay, low, and then you can simply mention this particular things. And if you run it, let's wait and watch whether what sort of output are we going to get. Okay, we got an output. So as in this way, you can perform. You can perform the. You can perform the functions here. So not only these, I think if you people may think that it's quite complicated. There is actually another way. With the help of using that particular another way, you can are able to sort this out. So I'll explain you what's that particular another way. So instead of giving these flower brackets, and instead of doing all these sort of things, you can simply remove these all. So I'm gonna remove all this, right? I'm gonna remove all this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mention is equals to, and then I'm gonna mention this arrow this symbol actually. Well, up to now everything is fine, and whatever the things which you want to specify, you can specify here. I'm gonna mention it's okay. I am going to that's it. I'm gonna specify this thing, and if you run it actually, let's wait and watch with what sort of output. Okay, we got an error. It's okay. Let's do one thing instead of giving this. Okay, yeah, we need to mention this, right? I just went in a fast when I didn't saw. If you run it actually, you'll get a proper output. Let's wait and watch. Okay, it's taking. Okay, yeah, it's okay. I'm going to. Yeah, that's the thing which we got. So if you people may think that mentioning the flower brackets and writing and mentioning the flower brackets and writing these sort of things like return and remembering return and mentioning the flower brackets and whatever the things which you want to print, mentioning all those things. If you think it's quite complicated, you can also do the same thing with the help of using this is equals to and arrow symbol. So as in this way, you can able to perform the functions here. So that's about the functions, and then yeah, that's it.